Hey friends, welcome back to English with SMG. My name is Sam, and I'm really happy you're here with me today. In this video, we're going to talk about a fresh and exciting idea. The idea is very simple: you can learn English every single day. Not only from books. Not only from grammar rules. Not only from long vocabulary lists. You can learn English from your real life. From your normal morning. From your coffee or tea. From your walk outside. From cooking food. From small conversations with people around you. Even from your own thoughts. Your daily life can teach you English. This method is very powerful, but it is also very easy. And the best part is, it works for all levels: beginners, intermediate learners, and even advanced learners. Today, I will show you how to turn your daily life into a language lab. A language lab usually means a special room in a school where students practice language. But today, your language lab is different. Your lab is your home, your kitchen, your phone, your bus ride, your job, your free time, or your favorite cafe. Your whole world becomes your classroom, and don't worry. Everything in this video will be in clear, friendly, beginner-level English. If I use a difficult word, I will explain it right away. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Now let me ask you a simple question. Why do so many people study English for many years, but still feel shy or nervous when they try to speak? The answer is simple. Most people believe that learning only happens in a classroom or inside a book. They think learning means grammar pages, exercises, tests, and then repeating the same routine again and again. But real English does not live inside a book. Real English lives in the world around you. It lives in the sounds you hear on the street. It lives in short conversations you hear from other people. It lives in movies and TV shows. It lives in subtitles. It lives in the music you listen to. And it even lives in the simple thoughts inside your mind as you go through your day. Let me give you a very clear example. Imagine you go to a supermarket. You walk inside. You pick up a bottle of water. You look at the label, and it is written in English. The label says still water and natural mineral water. In this small moment, without any special effort, you just learned new English words. Still water means water without gas. Mineral means the water has natural chemicals that are good for your body. Natural means it comes from nature, not made by machines. Label means the small sticker on a product that gives information. You didn't open a textbook. You didn't write notes. You didn't memorize anything. You were just living your normal life, and English appeared naturally. This is the power of everyday English. It is real, useful, and connected to your life. These small moments, repeated every day, help you become fluent slowly and naturally, step by step. Now, let's go deeper. I want to show you how different parts of your daily routine can become small English lessons. Let's talk about your morning drink, grocery shopping, commuting, cooking, and entertainment. Let's start with something very simple: your morning drink. Maybe you drink coffee. Maybe tea. Maybe water or juice. No problem. This small moment is perfect for English practice. Imagine you wake up. You feel sleepy. You walk to the kitchen and make your drink. While doing this, talk to yourself in simple English. You can say, "This coffee smells strong. This coffee tastes sweet. I like this warm feeling. This is my morning routine. This helps me start my day." This technique is called narrating your life. Narrate means to describe something like a story. Talking to yourself in English is very powerful because you use real words. You connect English to your life. You practice without stress or fear. When you add milk, say, "I'm adding milk. It looks creamy." When you stir, say, "I'm mixing everything." When you take a sip, say, "This is good. It wakes me up." Small sentences create big progress. Now let's talk about grocery shopping. Your supermarket is one of the best places to learn everyday English. Even if everything is written in your local language, you can still practice English in your mind. As you walk inside, describe what you see. This is the bakery section. These are dairy products. Dairy means food made from milk. This is the fruits and vegetables section. These are frozen foods. Frozen means very cold with ice. These are snacks. These are household items. Household means things for your home. When you pick up items, describe them in English. This is rice. I use it for cooking. This yogurt is low fat. Low fat means not much fat. This chicken is boneless and skinless. Boneless means no bones. You are not reading English. You are adding English to your life. You can also practice questions in your mind. Where can I find pasta? Do you have almond milk? Is this fresh? Do you have a smaller size? You don't need answers. You are training your brain. Now let's talk about commuting. Commute means your regular travel to work, school, or another place. This time is perfect for English practice. You can listen to English podcasts, audiobooks, YouTube videos, or music. Even if you don't understand everything, your ears are learning. You can think, "I'm listening for new words. It's okay if I don't understand everything. This helps my English rhythm." You can also read English signs. Keep door closed. Emergency exit. Next stop. City center. And you can describe what you see. I'm going to work. It's cold today. The bus is crowded. Crowded means many people. This road is quiet. No pressure. Just simple thoughts in English. Now let's move to cooking. Cooking is amazing for learning English because it uses action verbs. You cut vegetables. You boil water. You mix ingredients. You fry eggs. You taste the food. These are real verbs people use every day. You can follow simple English recipes. Chop the onions. Chop means cut into small pieces. Boil the water. Boil means bubbles appear. Add salt. Add means put something in. Mix everything well. While cooking, talk to yourself, "I'm cutting vegetables. I need more salt. This smells good. I'm almost finished." You are learning English while doing real actions. Finally, let's talk about TV shows and movies. Watching is great, but don't try to understand everything. That creates stress. Instead, watch with English subtitles and listen for common phrases. For example, "Come on, let's go" means hurry up. "Are you kidding me?" means is this a joke? "That's amazing" means very good. "I'll be right back" means I'll return soon. Repeat these phrases in your mind. Your brain will absorb them. Absorb means take something in easily. Slowly and naturally, English will feel more comfortable. Now let's finish. English is everywhere. Your life is your classroom. Your daily routine is your best teacher. Learn from your mornings. Learn from shopping. Learn from commuting. Learn from cooking. Learn from entertainment. You are learning every day, even when you don't notice it. I'm proud of you, and I'm happy to be part of your journey. I'm Sam, and this is English with SMG. Until next time, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.